Okay, so today, children, we will learn something new, which is these and those. Okay, so all of you open course book volume 1, page number 28. What we will learn today? We will learn these and those. Okay, first let me show you animated video. Okay, these and those.
These is used
These,
to talk about many things which are near to us. Those is used to talk about many things which are far or up. Those things which are
wait, these and those.
these is used
These
to
is
talk
used to
about
talk about
many
many things which are near to us.
those
Those is used to talk about many things which are far away from us.
these are
These are mangoes. Just wait. Those are bananas.
those
Those are apples. Those are grapes. These are watermelons. These are papayas. Those are oranges. Those are pineapples. While framing a sentence, we use is after this and that. We use are after these and those. This is a ball. These are balls. There is a ball. Those are balls. This is a book. These are books. That is a book. Those are books. This is a rose. These are roses. That is a rose. Those are roses. This is a boy. These are boys. That is a boy. Those are boys. Okay, children. So, like this, these and those are used. Okay. I will show you once again the animated video. Please look carefully. Okay. These and those. These is used to talk about many things which are near to us. Those is used to talk about many things which are far or away from us. These are mangoes. Those are bananas. Those are apples. Those are grapes. These are watermelons. These are papayas. Those are oranges. Those are pineapples. While framing a sentence, we use is after this and that. We use are after these and those. This is a ball. These are balls. There is a ball. Those are balls. This is a book. These are books. That is a book. Those are books. This is a rose. These are roses. These are roses. That is a rose. Those are roses. This is a boy. These are boys. That is a boy. Those are boys. Okay. So these are the uses of these and those. Yes, Sampriti, what happened? Yes. So you can see here what is the meaning of these and those. These is used. Okay, see children carefully. These and those. Okay, these and those. So what is the word here? These and those. These is used to talk about many things which are near to us. When something which is near to us, what we use? We use these. Okay. Yes, Shreyosi, what happened? Shreyosi? Let me explain first, Shreyosi. No, let me explain first. Yes, Akibul? What happened? Sakibul? Unmute yourself. Yes, Sakibul. Unmute yourself. Yes, Sakibul. Sakibul?
Yes,
Yes, what happened? Tell me.
ma'am.
Sakibul?
ম্যাম কোন বইটা বের করবো আমি বুঝতে পারিনি।
Sakibul, please always try to join on time, okay? Open page number 28 of course book volume 1. Course book volume 1. These and those. I'm teaching today these and those. Open course book volume 1, page number 28. What I'm doing today? These and those. Okay, you got it? Sakibul, you got it? Sakibul, you got it? Okay, so children, what is the use of these and those? These is used to talk about many things which are near to us. Means something which is near to us, we call it these. Okay, and those is used to talk about many things which are far or away from us. Okay, which are far or away from us. Here you can see a boy is standing. Okay, a boy is standing. A boy is standing, and you can see here he can aim where he can see the bananas. Bananas is far away from him. So what he will say? He will say those are bananas. Okay, and see which the things which he can see near, like watermelon is near. Like watermelon is near, so he will tell these are watermelons. Okay, these are watermelons. Okay, the things which are far is always we will use those. Okay, the things which are near, we will use these. Like see, the boy is standing here and the apples are far away from him. So what he will say? Those are apples. Okay, those are apples. Like see, in the same way, the grapes are far away from the boy. What he will say? Those are grapes. And the things which are near to the boy, like the papayas, what he will say? These are papayas. Okay, these are oranges. Okay, pineapple is also far. What he will say? Those are pineapples. Okay, children. So these are the uses of these and those. Yes, Amrit, what happened?
ম্যাম বইটার নাম আর পেজটা একটু বলুন না ম্যাম।
Page number 28. Ma'am, please always
বইটা,
try
ma'am?
to join on time, ma'am. Course book volume 1. I'm taking English today, these and those. Okay. The content is these and
okay, ma'am.
those. Okay. Yes, Sampriti, what happened? Why you are raising your hand again and again? Sampriti?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I one hand.
Now see children. So you got understood everything? What is the meaning of these and those? Now see here. See this page? While framing a sentence, we use is after this and that. We use are after these and those. Means when we use this and that, what we use is. Okay, is used after this and that. But when we use these and those, what we use? We use are. Okay, we use are. Like this is a ball. Okay, this is a ball. These are balls. Okay, when we use this, we will use is. Okay, and when we will use these, what word we will use? Are. These are balls. When there are many balls, we will say these are balls. And then when there is one ball, what we will say? This is a ball. That when the ball is far away from us, what we will say? That. We will use that. That is a ball. Okay, that is a ball. When we will see the balls far away from us and there are many balls, what we will say? We will use those. Okay, those are balls. Those are balls. Okay, this is a book. When the book is near to us and we will having only one book, what we will use? This is. Okay, this and is. This is a book. When there are many books and which are near to us, okay, what we'll say? These are. Okay, we'll use are. These are books. Now, the books which are far away from us, but it is only one. What we will use? That is, because it is far, so we will use that. That is a book. Because it is only one, so we will use is. And the books which are so many but far away from us, what we will use? Those. And are. Those are books. Okay, children? All of you understood this? In the same way, you will see here, the rose is here. So beautiful rose. Okay, so what you will say? When the rose is near to us and only one in number. So what we will say? This is a rose. This is a rose. But the same flowers which are so many in numbers and which are near to us, what we will use? These are. When the quantity is more, we will use are. These are roses. But the rose which is far away from us, we will use that is a rose. Okay, that is a rose. And the roses which are many in numbers, we will use those are roses. What we will use? Those are roses. Now see, the boy is standing. Okay, the boy is standing here, but he is very near. What we will use? This is a boy. This is a boy. But the boys are 3 in numbers and they are standing near to us. What we will say? These are boys. We will use these and are. These are boys. Now the boy who is standing far away from us, what we will say? That is. Okay, we will use that is. That is a boy. And the boys who are many, 3 in numbers, there are many boys who are standing far away from us. We will use those are. Those are boys. Okay, so these are the difference between these and those. Okay, the difference between these and those. Now children, just read. Okay, practice books is not here. So children, you will read, okay? These and those. Yes, Sampriti? All of you will read together. Yes, Sampriti?
Ma'am.
Yes, read this. Read these and those.
Yes,
All of you
ma'am.
children, take open your page 28 and read this. All of you read together. Read it. Read out this. Read, Sampriti. This is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
ball.
This is our ball. This is our book.
First
This
read this
is
one. This is a ball.
our book. Yes, ma'am.
This is a ball. These are balls.
This is the ball.
These are balls.
These are ball.
This is the ball.
This is the ball.
Those are balls.
Those are balls.
Okay, Sampriti. Okay. Now, Prakriti, you read. Read out, Prakriti.
Those are bananas.
Here, page number 29. This is a ball.
This is a ball. These are balls. That is a ball. Those are balls. This is a book. These are books. That is a book. Those are books.
Very good,
This
Prakriti.
is
Very good. Okay, Prakriti. Okay, now
are
Devaditya. You read, Devaditya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Prakriti.
This is a ball.
Ditch.
These are balls. Those
That is a ball.
is a ball. Those are balls. This is a book.
Jode.
This is a book.
The ditch.
These are books. That is a book. Those are
জোরে বলতে বলছি না that is a book, those are books.
books.
Yes, I can hear him. Okay, very good, Devaditya. All of you will learn, okay, nicely. These and those. Yes, Shreyosi. Now you read, Shreyosi. Keep reading, all of you. Yes, read. Keep reading, okay? All of you keep reading. Shreyosi, read.
This is a ball. This is a ball. Those are balls. That is a ball. Those are balls.
Shreyosi, this is a ball. After this is a ball, these are balls which are near to us. We will say these, okay? These are balls. Which are far to us, we say that is the ball. Those are balls.
Are balls. These are books. Those are books. That are books. Those are books. These are balls.
Okay, Shreyosi.
Are balls.
Very good, Shreyosi. Okay. Yes, Mahika. Now you say.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Loudly.
This is a ball.
Yes.
A ball. That is a ball. Those are balls. This is a book. These are books.
Very good.
Is a book.
Okay, Mahika. Very good, Mahika. Okay. Yes, Prapti, you read now.
বলো ম্যামকে বলো জোরে জোরে বলো জোরে
This is a ball.
Okay, Prapti. Okay, very good. Very good, Prapti. Yes, Saina. Now you read, Saina. Welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Read, Saina. Read. Read out.
This is a ball. This is a ball. This is a
This
This
is a
is the ball.
ball.
ball. This is a
These
These are.
balls.
these are ball.
That is a.
That is a ball.
Those are
balls.
balls.
Ball.
This is a book.
This is a book.
Book. Those are book.
These are
These
books.
are books
These
which
are-
are near to us. We will say these. Okay.
That is a book.
That is a book.
Those are books.
Those are books.
This
Okay,
is
Saina.
a rose.
Okay, very good.
Thank
Okay, now
you.
Indrakshi, you read Indrakshi. You will learn. Okay, Saina, keep practicing. Read out. Don't stop learning.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Indrakshi, read. Indrakshi, Indrakshi, read this. Indrakshi, Indrakshi, read this. This is a rose.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Read this. This is a rose.
This is a ball, and this is a book. This is a This is are the balls.
These are balls.
This is the that is the ball. Those are ball.
Those are
Balls.
balls. Okay, balls are many. So what you will say? Those
Those
are
are
balls. This is a book.
This is a book. This is are books. This
কোথায় আছে দেখো ঠিক করে that
that is a book. Those are books.
Okay, okay, very good, Indrakshi. Now listen, Indrakshi. When the ball is near to us and it is only one, what we will say? We will say this is a ball. We will use this and we will use after this, we will use is. Okay, this is a ball. But and the balls which are near to us, but there are many in numbers, we will use these. Okay, these, because there are so many, three numbers, and which are near to us, we will use these are balls. Okay, after these, the word are will come. Okay, now see, the thing which is far from us, like this, that is a ball. Okay, that is a ball because it is far from us and it is only one. So we will use that is. And the balls which are three in numbers and it is far from us, we will use those because it is far. Those and it is many, we will use are. Those are balls. Like this, you have to understand the difference between these and those. Okay. Yes, Soripta.
বলো জোরে জোরে বলবে বলো This is a ball. These are balls. That is a ball. Those are balls. This is a book. These are books. That is a book. Those are books.
Very good, Soripta. Okay, okay. So these and those. Okay, very good. जो बॉल हमारे पास है, जो हमें दिख रहा है, हमारे सामने है, उसे हम बोलेंगे दिस इज अ बॉल. लेकिन जो बॉल दूर सामने है मगर बहुत सारे बॉल हैं, तो हम बोलेंगे दीज आर बॉल्स. ठीक है. लेकिन जो बॉल दूर है पर एक है, तो हम क्या कहेंगे? दैट इज द बॉल. और जो बहुत सारे बॉल है मगर दूर है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? दोज आर बॉल.
That is a ball.
Okay, children, all of you open Hindi book. Children, open Hindi.
হিন্দি বুকটা নিয়ে আইতে বাবু। আদর্শ ভাষা বইটা ওইটা নিয়ে আয়। হিন্দি যে বইটা পড়িস তুই সেই বইটা নিয়ে আয়।
Children, open Hindi book.
কোনটা বের করেছে ম্যাম?
Just wait. Yes. तो इसे हमने कंप्लीट किया था.
গিটার আছে।
All of you completed? Maika, Prapti, Saina, Adrita, Azan. Yes, children. Yes, all of you completed this one. मैंने कहा था ना ये पढ़ कर रखना. मिर्च, किला. Just wait, children. ये वाला लिखा नहीं है तुम लोगों ने, तो write it. निकट और साइकिल. All of you write down in your copy. नाम है छोटी की मात्रा काटा निकट. Children, mute everyone. All of you mute yourself. Now children, write this. सिर्फ ये दो बॉक्स में, जो ग्रीन बॉक्स और ऑरेंज बॉक्स में है, इसको लिख. लास्ट क्लास में तुम लोगों ने नहीं लिखा था, ठीक है? इसे कंप्लीट करो. नाम में छोटी की मात्रा काटा निकट. ओपन पेज नंबर 11. ऑल ऑफ यू ओपन पेज नंबर 11 हिंदी. ओपन पेज नंबर 11 छोटी की मात्रा. यस अफान, व्हाट हैपेंड?
এইগুলো লেখ খাতায়, যে দুটো ম্যাম ঠিক দিয়েছে এইগুলো।
ऑल ऑफ यू राइट. यस, जिसे मैंने टिक किया है उसको कॉपी में लिखो. छोटी की मात्रा वाले शब्द. यस शहनवाज. यस शहनवाज, व्हाट हैपेंड? शहनवाज राइट. जिसे मैंने टिक किया है पेज नंबर 11 हिंदी. ओपन हिंदी पेज नंबर 11. आपिया ओपन हिंदी पेज नंबर 11. Just write it, children. Write it in your copy, Hindi copy. All of you write down in your Hindi copy. Page number 11. छोटी ई की मात्रा वाले शब्द. ठीक है, छोटी की मात्रा वाले शब्द. ओके. माहिका, प्राप्ति, साइना, all of you got it? अद्रिता.
मैम पेज नंबर कत मैम?
पेज नंबर 11 छोटी की मात्रा वाले शब्द.
ओ छोटी की मात्रा वाली.
लास्ट क्लास में हमने किया था ना छोटी की मात्रा वाले शब्द. मिल, शिप, तिल, लिख, तिल, दिन, पिन, गिन. Write down children, write in your copy.
लिखो.
Azan, write Azan. Write in your copy Azan. Adrita, write. छोटी की मात्रा वाले शब्द. निकट. निकट कैसे लिखेंगे? नामे छोटी की मात्रा. ठीक है, नामे छोटी की मात्रा काटा निकट. ठीक है, निकट. All of you write down. Yes प्राप्ति, पेज नंबर 11 write down in your copy. जिसे मैंने टिक किया है उसी को लिखो. निकट, खटिया, बगिया, धनिया, मिठास, चिड़िया. ठीक है, साइकिल, किशमिश, नारियल, रविवार, पिकनिक, शनिवार. राइट डाउन अजान. अजान लिखो अजान कॉपी में. यस आफिया राइट डाउन. अद्रिता राइट. माइका यू गॉट इट? Mahika, have you are writing? Are you writing? Okay, write down. जैसे मैंने टिक किया है उसको लिखो, ठीक है?
किसको किसको मैम?
See, निकट, see, look at the screen. स्क्रीन में देखो, जो ग्रीन बॉक्स है उसमें सारी शब्द है जो निकट, खटिया, बगिया, धनिया, मिठास, साइकिल, ओके? Yes, Afan, right. Salkeen, are you writing, Salkeen?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Salkeen. Very good. Very good. Write it. After writing, completing, you show me. Yes, Afan, right. Soripta.
Cycle.
Yes, are you writing?
Cycle. How can you?
Yes, निकट, ना में छोटी की मात्रा, काटा, निकट. Zayan, are you writing? Malav, Zayan, Devaritya, Prakriti, very good. Shanwaz, right? Priyanshu, are you writing, Priyanshu? Sampriti, are you writing? Yes, Shoaib, right? निकट, ना में छोटी की मात्रा, काटा, निकट. Rehan, are you writing, Rehan? Rumayya, are you writing? I can't see your video. Adriti, Shruti, Janatu, Nehan, Intrakshi, all of you write. Soumyadeep, Afnan, Anas, Amrit, Shreyosi, Faham, all of you write down. Ritisha. Yes, Ritisha. Yes. Yes, Ritisha.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Network से मैम कॉलम में.
Okay, okay. Yes, wait, I will tell you.
मैम प्रेजेंट देबे.
निकट, ना में छोटी की मात्रा, काटा. Yes, yes.
मैम আমার প্রেজেন্ট আছে.
Yes, I will mark you after the class. ना में छोटी की मात्रा, काटा, निकट.
বা হলো ঘি আলাদা হবে।
Yes, Ritisha, right. Page number 11.
ঘি লেখ।
বলছি ম্যাম ওটা পেজটা লিখে
Yes, yes, yes. कॉपी में लिखना है, हिंदी कॉपी में ये सारी शब्दों को छोटी की मात्रा.
ओके ओके मैम.
ओके.
আর বলছি ম্যাম এর আগের ক্লাসটা আগের ক্লাসে ম্যাম নেটওয়ার্কের প্রচন্ড প্রবলেম হচ্ছিল, জয়েন করতে পারছিলাম না.
ओके 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 मैम. Yes, very good, Prakriti. Well done.